Here's a microwave here. As you can already tell, it's a older microwave here. It has a safe plug on it. Open it up. See, it's fairly clean in here. The stickers right here on the right. This is a model MFM-7N. This is manufactured October 2005. So this might be one of the last, if a few ever, analog microwaves that they were being made of. So anyway, the controls here on the front. This is only the settings we got, because this is an older analog microwave. A lot of digital ones, they have more features than these. But the truth is that these older microwaves last longer than what we have now, so that's what I'm going to say right now. So anyway, let's go ahead and test it. Now, I cannot set it for 10 seconds like I usually do with any other microwave video I post on this channel. So what I'm going to do is, I have a cup of water right here. I'm going to put that in here. And I'm probably going to set it for about 2 or so minutes. I'll make sure that's on the cook here. And we're going to turn the dial to 2 minutes. Alright, so let's check it out here. Oh yeah, that's definitely hot. This microwave, oh lord. After 2 minutes like that, there's no. Yeah, the newer ones are not like that anymore, but yeah, I can definitely tell this is a good microwave. But anyway, that's about it.